Hello Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is your love reading for the month of October. Hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff, Cancer. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Also would like to add that 14th October Mercury retrograde starts. The significance of this in love reading is like exes just fly back into your life. So if you're open to your exes, reconciliation time, second chances happens during retrograde. So hopefully let's see what's there in October for Cancer. So these are your energies, and then we'll pull out your person's energy and the likely outcome, and then we'll pull out cards for singles too. So this is your energy, Cancer. This is seven of swords. So Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, if they are your person. Seven of wands. Okay, so many sevens. Okay, 2 sevens. 8 of cups, and then Knight of wands. So it seems Cancer, you are feeling like you have been cheated. You have been betrayed, or you have been left in cold. Let me pull out your person's energy and then we'll go. So this is what I get here. This is your person's energy, Cancer. Sorry. So Cancer, your person's energy, 10 of wands. It seems that they are feeling too burdened with this relationship. 6 of wands, good card. Justice, balance coming, balance, seeking balance. 2 of, the Lover's card, great. So let me tell you, so Cancer, you feel that you have been cheated, you have been deceived, if it's an air sign, or so there was some betrayal, there was some cheating, there was some lies. Your person just sneaked out of your life without actually giving you any explanation, without giving you any reasoning, and they think that whatever they have done is right, that is what energy, and they're defending all their actions. This is what I get here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also. So they are thinking whatever cold treatment they have done to you, or they have acted distance, or they have not been in contact with you. So it shows that they are trying to defend their actions here. They are trying to defend whatever they done. It's like it's okay to be at least not giving you any explanation. They find it okay. So it is a conflicting situation here. You feel you feel burdened, you feel stressed. That is what but you still have the passion. So emotionally you are feeling very 8 of cups. You are feeling so left out. You're feeling that your person left you cold, and you are in pain, and you are making up your mind to move away from this situation, to move away from this relationship. Some of you might be moving, but I feel that as soon as you feel that you want to move away, as soon as a message might come to you, trying to save in and out energy. This is what I see, Cancer, here. For some of you, this is a player energy. As soon as you think that you should move out, and they get that intuitively, that this is basically, it could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you have this cups energy. So this is like your energy, Cancer. So as you feel cold, as soon as you start moving out, they just come in, and in out has been their pattern in this relationship for some of you here. So you are stuck basically. You try to move on, and you get back, and you try to move on, and you get back. This is what has been going for some of you here. Basically player energy, I think, but you feel a lot for this person. There is still passion that you have shared with this person. You remember the time that you have spent with this person, and you are highly attracted to this person still. That is what I get here. With your person's energy, 10 of wands and 6 of wands. So if it is like fire sign again, they find the relationship with you burdening. So it seems that they felt that they had to do a lot, and they had to do a lot of stuff, and they were not this is what they feel, that they put in a lot of effort. They want independence, they want attention from others, maybe some of so basically they felt this burdened kind of a situation here. Not see 10 of wands here. lot of burden they found here, like they wanted to be free, they wanted to be, you know, they wanted to enjoy, or maybe, you know, you and your person was not in the same page. They wanted something, you were offering something, you know, it was like not being on the same page. That's what I was they maybe they are more flirtatious, they are, you know, they want attention from others, and you might not like that, or you know, it is for some cases. Again, I feel here, again you have this Justice and Lovers card. So if you have this Libra person, or you have this Lovers here, the Lovers card here, so it shows that you know, this is Gemini card. So if it's a Libra Gemini, so they want relationship to be balanced. Now they want to work on this relationship, they want justice, in the sense that, you know, they want you back into your life, they want reconciliation, they want, you know, Gemini and Libra, this is like, also could be Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Yeah, so 3 signs, and then this is again a Gemini card. So they want this balance now, they want reconciliation, they still have feelings for you, they are still attracted to you, and they want to work on this relationship between the, I think your relationship will improve over the time. If you had stressful time, like these 2 cards, the signs that I told, your relationship will improve, it will get better with you know, clarity will come, and you will start communication, and it will get better, especially with these signs that I see here. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, you know, these with these your chances of improvement or reconciliation is better here. This is what I get here, Cancer. So this is let me find out a likely outcome, Cancer. Cancer, also I feel that some of you are, you know, coming out of a relationship, but still not over that. Maybe in September you have come out of some relationship, but still yet not over there, you are still stuck. Now this is for very few of you, could be love triangle, could be third party situation for some of you here, but you are still totally not over this. Maybe after October you might get, so this is for very few of you, third party situation or a love triangle in some cases, if you do have. So let's see what could be the likely outcome in Cancer. Okay, here Cancer, this is 6 of Pentacles. So it seems that one person is offering more, 3 of Cups. So it seems you know, this is a positive card. Now they want balance, they want to make it happen, they want to grow with you, they want you know, 6 of Pentacles is like balancing, 3 of Cups is like getting together, coming together. It's basically reconciliation. So some of you with the Cups energy, you know, Cups, if you have, they want reconciliation here. Again, what I feel, and reconciliation will happen, situation will improve. Let us see one more, you know, one more. Yeah, so there is one more story here, like story in the sense what could be the outcome here. So this is again for some of you here, that was for some of you. For some of you here, again you get here 8 of Cups and 4 of Swords. So this is stuck situation. For some of you it's getting better, for some of you are still stuck. You know, you wanted to move out. It's the same thing. It's, see here, 8 of Cups and 8 of Cups, and you are feeling stuck. The person has come and messaged you and you are still stuck, or you yourself is stuck. So some of you are having reconciliation and some of you are stuck, Cancer. This is still stuck in October. That's what I feel here. Now let me pull out the cards for singles who are open to relationship, who, you know, who want love in their lives. So let me just pull out cards for single Cancerians who are open to love. What's gonna be in love for them? I pulled out 2. The Magician. So you want to manifest something. Sorry. Ace of Cups here. So you want to manifest a new love. Ace of Cups could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, some water sign you want to manifest. Magician. So you have to act on that, you have to do the action. You know, you are trying to manifest somebody in your life, you will have all the power, you will be confident, and you will try to manifest someone in your life here. This is what I get, Cancer here. For some of you, I feel that, you know, so this is for some of you who are a magician with the Ace of Cups. So water sign, if you are trying to manifest, it shows really positive thing. You can manifest the person if you use your energies well. Now the second we have is Queen of Wands and the Five of Pentacles. So if you are wanting a fire sign in your life, or a fire sign, so you have to still wait. You are not, you won't get it immediately. You know, you have to wait for some time. You have to go through that, you know, little hurdles that, you know, making them fall for you, and it will happen slowly. So this is what I get for singles here. So this is it, Cancer. If you do like my readings, it resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you. Stay blessed.